Hello, happy birthday.
Hi, Adin. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday.
Happy 18th birthday. We miss you all, and we miss Chloe, Ate Kim. We miss the food, your mom's ensaymada, and
Your good driving skills.
yes, your good driving skills. Thank you for driving for us around New Zealand. And the weather here is really hot, unlike there.
And it's 11:30.
It's 11:30 a.m. Friday here, and we're sad because we're not there on your birthday. We'll miss your mom's cooking. We'll miss all the good food.
Your good baking.
You guys, we miss you. And what else? So, what can we say? Continue to be a good girl.
To your sisters and to your parents.
You're very patient, kind, obedient, and very pretty. And now that you're 18 years old, you be careful in your decisions, in choosing your friends, and eventually you have a... Is she in college now?
Yeah.
Oh, she's in college now, so...
Study hard.
So are you also flatting like Ate Kim? We don't really know what to say right now. But I've seen your pictures in Facebook, and we really miss you all. We hope to see you again this Christmas. We're really planning for being with you again this Christmas.
And another rematch in the go-kart and the luge.
Oh yeah, another rematch, right? Yeah, you're a very good driver too in the go-kart.
But I'm still good.
So, but Josh is still better.
And I suck.
And you suck.
I was
my
last.
God. Okay, so that's just about it. Maybe we'll keep in touch through Skype. And again, God bless you all. Keep safe and have fun on your birthday.
And I hope when you get there, you already have a coffee machine for yourself.
Coffee machine? Is that her, is that her dream? Oh. Okay, so happy
Birthday!